scientists and experts from various fields are collaborating on Project CETI, Cetacean Translation Initiative, to decode the language of sperm whales and other animals. Sperm whales, known for their complex social structures and communication via loud clicking sounds, are the focus of this endeavor. 3 listening stations, equipped with underwater microphones on buoys, record whale sounds, while aerial drones capture video and audio, and aquatic robots gather underwater data. Suction cup tags attached to the whales provide additional information. Machine learning is used to analyze this vast dataset. Machine learning, a type of AI, excels at identifying patterns in extensive datasets. This technology has the potential to translate sperm whale clicks, much like language translation apps help bridge human language barriers. Project CETI is one of many initiatives employing AI to decipher animal communication, analyzing sounds from creatures like prairie dogs, dolphins, and naked mole rats. Before the advent of AI, scientists explored animal communication, discovering intriguing language-like features in different species. Vervet monkeys, for instance, have distinct calls for various threats, and prairie dogs communicate information about predators' size, shape, and color through their calls. However, defining whether these systems constitute language remains a subject of debate among scientists. Rather than focusing on whether animals possess language, researchers are interested in determining which aspects of language are present in various species. AI's ability to identify hidden patterns excites researchers like Kon Slobodchikov, who studied prairie dog communication for decades. AI can accelerate research by quickly analyzing complex data, potentially revealing previously unnoticed patterns. In the case of sperm whales, their clicks, known as codas, carry meaning, and AI models have helped uncover new patterns within these codas. The timing, number, and frequency of clicks all contribute to their meaning, with the volume of certain frequencies proving crucial. Project CETI, along with other initiatives like the Earth Species Project and the Interspecies Internet, aims to use AI to facilitate communication between humans and animals. In the future, AI may enable us to engage in meaningful conversations with animals, leading to better conservation strategies and a deeper appreciation of the natural world. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.